Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin. We are also going to talk about the liquidation heat map. We are going to talk about the cryptocurrency prices in general, crypto altcoins in index, Bitcoin dominance, and also the outflows and inflows for the ETFs right here. So stay tuned until the end if you want to miss any important information. And right now let's jump straight in the chart. We can see here Ethereum is doing a little bit of a push to the upside, which is quite nicely. Right now we are in this basically a kind of a bull flag or falling wedge pattern. Usually those patterns are quite positive and bullish, so we might expect a move to the upside. I would say the chances at around 70% that Ethereum is going to break to the upside, which is definitely some good news. Right now we have to go above this resistance here at 4,500, and after that we will definitely try this resistance here, and once we break out from this resistance we will see some crazy moves for Ethereum. The next price target would be at around 4,950, and after that we will go for new all-time highs and higher price targets. That's definitely quite amazing. Let's see right now support. I would say we have some support here at 4,400 and after that at 4,270. I don't think we will go there though. I think Ethereum is up for a big move. We can see a lot of stable coins printing also on Ethereum, so a lot of new liquidity is coming into the market. The interest rates have been cut and are expected to be cut also in the upcoming months again, so we will see interest rate cuts, quantitative easing, and more liquidity coming into the financial markets, which is definitely very positive. Now let's go over here and check out Bitcoin, see how the Bitcoin price is doing. Right now we are basically still moving around this support line right here, which is definitely nice. We can see we had many times we touched this support line, and now it's probably going to be the final time when we are going to touch it and go to the $120,000. That's what I think will happen in the upcoming weeks. So I'm still very bullish. You can see here I have over 12 positions here in the altcoin markets and also in the Bitcoin sector. So I have one position on Bitcoin and another 11 positions on altcoins basically. So I'm quite spread around all of the sectors. You can see here I have gaming, I have AI tokens, I have DEXs, I have veteran tokens here from the 2017 bull market. I have hyped layer ones like Sui, Solana, which is moving amazingly. We can see here making crazy gains with the Solana trade right here. And if you don't know, we opened all of these trades together on these videos. Every little trade here was opened together with you. So if you wanna make these trades like here as well, follow this channel and click the notification bell on so you don't miss any opportunity, because as you know, crypto markets are moving very rapidly, so you need to be on time, because you can miss out on some crazy gains if you are not watching immediately. That's why watch all the videos, watch them until the end, and don't miss out on these amazing updates. Now let's go over here and we can see Ethereum and Bitcoin have been seeing some nice inflows from the ETF and the institutional side. We can see here crazy inflows. Bitcoin just around 10 days ago had $741 million of inflows, Ethereum 164, and much more. We can see here just in the last 30 days over 221 million in inflows for Bitcoin and 54 million in inflows. Actually, this I think just for the 19th of September. So basically just for yesterday, with 221 million and 54 million in inflows just in one day. That's quite amazing. We can see here crazy inflows. So the ETFs are still buying up Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I would recommend to sell right now. If you are in the profits, if you have some open positions, I would definitely take profits. Always take profit, because it's always going to be a new opportunity. Opportunities are coming literally every day. You just need to have the capital for it. So if you are in a position right now, take some profits and enjoy the ride. Like you see here, I took already on many of these trades. I took some profits here. We can see here on my Bitcoin trade. On my Ethereum trade, I also took over 16k in profits here, so I'm quite happy with the outcome. My unit rate also over 10k in profits. So right now it might be actually a good time to scale my unit rate. Let's actually do it, guys. I'm very bullish on Uniswap, so let's see. Right now, let's add another $750 to this trade. This is quite nicely. Let's see, it will be filled probably every second. So what else we have here? My VeChain position. I'm very happy with VeChain, guys. Look at this. VeChain is basically creating here higher lows and higher highs, which is quite amazing. I think the next price target will be here at around 2.7 cents, and after that, you know, my price target is still the 8 cents, guys. So quite amazing opportunity. We opened this trade right here all together at 2.1 cents, around that area, and we can see we are already massively in the profits. I even scaled this position up. I've been adding more and more to it because I'm so bullish on VeChain. Now the question is, when will we reach this price target? Here I'm going to take some profits. You can see I already have a limit order at 3 cents, and after I'm going to let everything else ride. Now, if you want to trade like you see me do, guys, here on the VX platform, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses with the exclusive link in the description. Make sure you use the link if you want to get this $30,000 in bonuses, and also up to 20% deposit bonus. So let's say you want to deposit $10,000, you can get $2,000 on top that you can use for trading, which is definitely amazing. It's basically free money that you can use to open your positions. Now, and that money can also multiply like we are doing in this video. So basically, this is the unlimited money glitch. Now, let's see what else we have here. Most of the altcoins are turning green just in this moment right now, so that's definitely a good time to make a video. Everything is pumping. Most of the coins will pump even more in the upcoming days. I'm very bullish on Solana. I think Solana will go to over $600, guys, in the upcoming days. Let's check out the chart also a little bit. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful chart. You can see here higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher highs, which is definitely quite amazing. We are gonna have some resistance here at 297, and afterwards we will go for higher price targets for Solana. Now let's also talk about the altcoin season index, and we can see here we are at 77. So basically we are in altcoin season territory. Now all the coins are starting to pump. We can see here MYX did over 16,000%, guys. 160x. This token did very well. Then with here F30, this is a token that was posted by CZ, the founder of Binance, and we can see also over 13x in just a couple of days. So performing quite well. It smells like altcoin season is coming to town. We might see very soon, guys, like 30-50% days for the top 100 tokens as well. That's why I'm very good diversified in all of the sectors right here, and I'm just patiently waiting for the pump. If the price goes down, I take it positively and I add more to my positions. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits, and see you all again next time. Bye.